Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Chinese company OK-Knives. This time it's an automatic knife, model K01. Total length is 22.2 centimeters, blade length is 9 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is D2. It is a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered between 59 and 60 HRC, satin and stonewash finish, flat grind. On the blade you can see the company name, OK, and the inscription Auto. On the other side we have the name of the steel, D2. The handle is made of aluminum and gold, but there is also available a version with black and green handle. Texturing. Opening with a button. Safety switch. Black pocket clip. And a hole for paracord. In summary, the first automatic knife from the OK-Knives company. The spring kicks nicely. A very nice knife, quite light, although it's not too small. Some like this type of knives, others don't, but I like automatic knives. Quick action, using and closing. Nice automatic knife for a decent price. One of my favorite knife from OK-Knives offer. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.